When it comes to kitchen planning, lighting often gets overlooked or left until the last minute. But good lighting can really make a difference. Kitchen lighting can be divided into 3 categories: task lighting, that lights your work areas; mood lighting, that creates a warm, inviting atmosphere; and general lighting, which lights the whole room at once. Cooking is more fun and safer when you can see what you're doing. Worktop lighting can be integrated under the overhead cabinets and above the sink. You can even include modules with power sockets and a USB outlet. And choosing a model with a dimmer will help you create a soft, cozy atmosphere when your work is done. If your kitchen has a dining area, it's cozy to have one or several hanging lamps over the table. Fitting a dimmer will give you bright light for things like homework and sewing, and softer light for mealtimes. You can even fit lights in your drawers. Mood lighting helps make your kitchen a nice place to be and creates a safe, cozy feeling when everyone's gone to bed. Putting spotlights inside a cabinet with glass doors and glass shelves creates a soft, inviting mood. The light will show off what's inside, and the glass shelves mean one light can light the whole cabinet. Cabinet lights can be connected to your worktop lighting modules, and the cables run behind the wall cabinets. When it comes to general lighting, start with some glare-free ceiling lamps. A dimmer will let you see the whole room when you need to, like when you're cleaning, and also create a soft, inviting atmosphere. If you can, place the switch close to the door. The type of lighting you choose is also important. Remember that LED lighting uses up to 85% less energy and lasts up to 20 times longer than old-fashioned incandescent bulbs. Good for your wallet and good for the planet.